Gala has announced the launch of Gala Film. The new platform continues the brand's commitment to providing fans with unique opportunities to enrich their experiences with levels of involvement only possible through Web3. Unveiled today in Malta at Into the Gala-verse, the core benefit of Gala Film is its ability to offer fans a true sense of ownership in the content they love. The platform opens up possibilities such as voting on script choices or casting, allowing fans to actively participate in the content they consume from their favorite IP and talent. Gala Film not only serves great experiences to fans, but also gives creative license back to filmmakers and creatives by offering a route of support while removing the middleman, allowing them to distribute directly to fans. By adding film alongside its existing music and games platforms, Gala is also able to offer an interoperable ecosystem where fans can benefit from crossover content. For example, by giving fans ownership of content in films, they may also benefit from involvement in the film's soundtrack or an accompanying game based on the film. Let's do a quick dive in Web3, then we'll talk about Gala Films. What is Web3? Web3 is not some trend that people use to manipulate markets for made-up tokens or some flashy but juvenile art project with the latest bells and whistles sold for millions of dollars among the elite NFT upper crust. Web3 is the next iteration of the internet, plain and simple. You'll start to hear a lot of today's Web3 buzzwords: less and less decentralization, blockchain, NFT. And all the beautiful functions behind them will be neatly hidden behind a curtain of convenience that simply empowers users through ownership, like we do. Web3 is about empowerment for regular people, and empowerment can be boiled down to freedom. As our newest way to bring freedom to more artists, more viewers, and more collectors, we're pleased to announce Gala Film as a new pillar for Gala, becoming the respected global leaders in Web3 entertainment. Now you understood the Web3 better, so let's see. What will Gala Film do? We're not going to get into the nitty-gritty specifics of how the Gala Film ecosystem will work just yet, but before too much longer, you'll have the opportunity to peruse the whole economic model with a light paper before deciding whether or not to get more involved at the beginning of Gala Film. Much like Gala Games rewards game creators and players, and Gala Music promises to reward artists, fans, and supporters, Gala Film will create a win-win-win economy that overcomes several challenges in the film and TV industry today. Easier to get discovered. Emerging filmmakers will have new opportunities to monetize their hard work and create ways to reward their earliest supporters. More rewards to those who deserve them. For making it all possible, viewing fans and collectors deserve to earn rewards for content streams rather than paying. Artists can be rewarded like never before, collectors can be rewarded for collecting, and producers can be rewarded fairly for empowering new artists by bringing them to the platform. Intellectual property matters. As a decentralized film ecosystem designed to uplift and encourage filmmakers, Gala will always treat the artist's property with utmost integrity. Create worlds for interoperability. We are working toward a Web3 ecosystem that all works together for a complete entertainment experience like nothing you've ever known. When we're creating movies and bringing new visual art projects to Gala Film, we're creating new opportunities for music and video games as well, and that's only the beginning. Later this week, look for the inaugural Gala Film sale of a digital item called the Film Pass. Gala Film Pass is a digital item launched by Gala to celebrate the launch of Gala Film 2022. The pass will give the ability to holders to redeem a Gala Film node, a Gala Film NFT for the first film release, and a whitelist spot for a future title. Holders will also receive exclusive access to events and film rewards. The Film Pass sale was announced last week at the Galaverse event and will be available in very limited quantities. The pass will be powered by Gala Token and will also have a monthly subscription service that will allow viewers access to films and digital content all around the world. The first 500 passes are reserved exclusively for Galaverse guests out of the total 1,500 passes available on Gala Store. The Film Pass is also available for purchase on OpenSea. As part of the Gala Films announcement, the entertainment brand announced several upcoming projects and partnerships, including a partnership with AI and Echo, one of the most popular GIF lines in history, with over 40 billion views. This will see Peter Draw's simplistic and charming visual storytelling brought to life through the Gala Films platform. Making the Chronic, a series of 16 short films where Snoop Dogg narrates each of the tracks on his album released through Gala Music, with 4 of these shown at the event. A partnership with Battle Island in production of their animated series Ghosts of Ruin, partially screened as a sneak preview during the Gala Film unveiling. This much about Gala Film. Before ending, let's see upcoming projects on the Gala Film platform. Vox feature teaser. Gala Games and Blue Eyes Entertainment has planned for an upcoming feature film based on VOX. The film will be a miniseries that will help viewers navigate through a Web3 world. The screenwriter of the film, Adam Pava, was nominated for Oscars for the animated feature film category. Making the Chronic, a series of 16 short films where Snoop Dogg will narrate the making of Dr. Dre's iconic 1992 album from Death Row Records, along with his tracks released on Gala Music. Ghosts of Ruin sneak peek. Gala Film has partnered with Battle Island for the production of the animated series, Ghosts of Ruin. A sneak peek of the series was shown during the Gala Film unveiling event. So, that's all we have for you today. Tell us views in the comments section. And consider subscribing to the Crypto World for more amazing crypto videos daily. Peace out.